Next, find the square root of the following up to two decimals. Now there are two numbers in this. The first one will solve for now. 4 5 upon 7. This is a mixed fraction. First convert this to improper fraction. 7 4 the 28 plus 5 33. 33 by 7 equals to, now divide it and convert it to decimals. So 4.7142. Now why did I take 7142, not only up to two decimals? Because I want the square root up to two decimals. So the numbers after the point should be 4. Suppose if they required decimal square root up to 3 decimals, then the decimals should have been 6. Okay, because in square root we require the groups of 2, right? So let's start. 4.7142. 4 should not be matched with these. Start from left, start from right and take 2 each. Means after the point, not from right exactly, after the point there should be groups of 2 towards the right, and before the point there should be groups of 2 towards the left. That's the basic logic followed. So solve this, you'll get it 2.17. See, this is what we have done. We have done this in earlier also, in our earlier videos also, as well as in your 6th and 7th. Okay, so we won't waste the time on this. So it is 2.17, right? This is by division method. Only one hint I'll give you. When you have 4 over here and you have 71 over here, now which number to take? Always try first number with first. 4 and 7. So 4 ones are 4. Try 41 with 41 with 1, so you get 41. Similarly over here 42, and you will have 30 over here, and then 42 over here. So which number should we try? 304. See here, 30 cannot be divided by 42, right? In that case, so take 304. 304 upon 42. You will get roughly, you will get it 7. It is less than 42 is 42 into 7 is less than 304. So try by 427. This is a hint for trying the numbers. Next is B, 9 upon 13. Again mixed fraction. Convert it to improper. Then 13 9s are 117. 117 plus 9, 126. 126 upon 13. So convert it to decimals. 9.6923. Divide it and check this. Okay. So let's find a square root now. 0, 9, 69, 23. These are the three groups. So 3 3s are 9, that's okay. 0, 69 over here. 61 1s are 61, then 62 over here, and here it is 823. So 6 and 8. Just try, means 6 is 6 1s are 6 is less than 8. So 621 into 1. Try that, you'll get it 621 over here. It is 202. Okay, that's okay. So 3.11 is a square root. Getting it? Practice it yourself. This is very important. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I would suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. It will be